We recently bought a 1910 home on a small town main street. It's a showpiece in our little town, and we feel a little pressure to keep it looking as nice as it has looked for 115 years. What I've learned over the course of owning several old houses is that even the ones in the best condition immediately come with a wish list of fixes and upgrades. And one of the first things we wanted to tackle here was the front walkway. It was flanked by several tiny boxwoods that were really out of scale with the size of the house and the length of the walkway. They were also in various degrees of healthy. But most noticeably, our front walk was caked in this thick black grime. Being on the main drag in a rural area, we have a constant stream of tractors and heavy farm equipment, trucks full of cotton and hay, peanuts, livestock that go by all day. We used to have this gas pressure washer that we used at a previous home, but for whatever reason, it kind of quit working consistently and then quit working altogether. I wish I could remember what the brand was so I could steer you away from it. Anyway, so we picked up an electric pressure washer, and it also didn't work right away. Turns out there was a mouse house or something in our garden hose from over the winter. So once we evicted those guys, we were off to the races. This electric machine is definitely a level quieter than the gas one, which I really appreciate, and it's always nice to skip a trip to the gas station. So we got to work. The whole project took just a few hours over 2 days. I feel comfortable speaking for both of us, saying that this is one of the most satisfying tasks in the home improvement genre. Scott did a bulk of the power wash, as I'm sure you can tell from the video, but I also did get some turns of the hose. There's almost nothing more satisfying than seeing that yuck disappear right in front of your eyes. We have this pressure washing game, I guess it's considered a game, on one of the big name gaming consoles. It's silly, but I really got into it as a relaxing activity during the winter. I can say that real life pressure washing was just as relaxing, if not more. So enjoy a little bit of the ride, and I hope this inspires you to tackle a small task on your to-do list. They don't all have to be layered projects over the course of weeks or months to add up to something delightful and satisfying. Happy home improving, friends. See you again soon.